Arkansas has been out hit 11-6. That one is torched. Cross jumper might have his second home run of the game. Long gone. It's been all Red Wolves this afternoon. Was that 5 home runs for Arkansas State?
Yeah, they have absolutely been crushing the baseball. That's just a hanging breaking ball by Cooper Dossett, and you can see how big that air in the outfield. I mean, I guess it technically wasn't an air because he didn't touch it, but you can see some big-time smiles in the dugout of the Red Wolves and some fans really having a big time here at Baum Walker.